Hi guys, this is Shakti Ranjan Jaina. Today I will be telling you about bank exams and SSC exams in detail, and you are watching me on Sifi.com.
Details of IBPS, SBI, PO and clerk exams.
There are three types of exams in banking: IBPS, SBI, RRB. This is Regional Rural Bank, not Railway Recruitment Board, but Regional Rural Bank. IBPS, SBI and RRB. We have PO and clerk exams. The paper pattern have been changed. First it was a 200 marks paper and only one tier. Now there are two tier exams, one prelims and mains, then final interview. In IBPS, first you would be having 100 marks paper for both PO and clerk. 100 marks paper, 30, 35, 35. 30 marks will be for English, 35 maths, 35 reasoning. After you clear this exam, you will move to mains. I am talking about IBPS, PO and clerk both. In mains, there will be a 200 marks paper, 5 sections, 40 marks each. 40 marks maths, that is quantitative aptitude, 40 marks reasoning, English, banking awareness, current affairs, marketing, and last computer. In banking, there will be a sectional cutoff for each section. There will be a sectional cutoff. That is more important. Then we'll move to SBI. Same, SBI has also changed its pattern. There was earlier only one exam written and a descriptive paper, but now the pattern has changed to prelims and mains. Same process as SBI, as IBPS, PO and clerk. Then we'll move to RRB, that is Regional Rural Bank. Anyone can apply for RRB, that is you should be a graduate. If you have a regional language, for example Marathi, Gujarati or Oriya, Bengali, whatever it is, you can apply for that bank only. For example, if you are Maharashtrian and your regional language is Marathi, then you can apply for Konkan Gramin Bank, Konkan Vidarbha Gramin Bank and Maharashtra Gramin Bank. Okay. This was about banking exams. And eligibility criteria is graduation. No percentage is required. And for general category, age limit is 28 years. For OBC, plus 3 years. For SC and ST, plus 5 years.
Expert guidelines for examination preparation process.
Guys, myself I am preparing for last 3 years. I have passed couple of exams. I have cleared couple of exams. From my point of view, prepare only for one exam. If you are preparing for bank, then concentrate on bank exams. If you are preparing for SSC, then concentrate on just SSC. If you want to clear 10 plus 2, SSC 10 plus 2, then prepare for CGL. If you prepare for a higher exam, higher grade exam, then you will easily crack 10 plus 2 and MTS. If you are preparing for clerk exam, bank clerk, then prepare for PO. Fully concentrate on PO. If you prepare for PO, then clearing clerk exam will be a cakewalk for you. So concentrate either on SSC or bank, not both.